morning, guys. I'm back again with another video. It's London and I went off grid. I just want to send out my thank you to everybody that's been showing the support. This wonderful, beautiful tiny home cabin, as you see in the back. And it looks like I've been doing a lot, but it's not much to do. At least I don't have to frame it out and build the outside and add roofs and stuff. But so far, as of what we've done, I installed my solar panels on the roof. I framed out my bathroom. I hooked up my solar to the wires that were installed in the cabin, so I have electricity. And I am building the shower, which I've laid down the shower floor. I ran the pipes for the shower in the sink, and I insulated the bathroom. Cabin is fully insulated, just no walls are put up. Windows were already installed on there. I re-leveled the house as well. It's not a professional job, even though it's basically how it was. I just added a couple blocks on it to level out for the shower. But as of all that, I mean, we still got a lot to go. We still got a lot to do. But I just want to send my thank you out to you guys that's been patient, and hopefully you'll be here by the time I finish this cabin, the interior of it, and we can move on. So that combo together only came out to be $32. So the bowl was $12. Actually, the bowl was $10, and the cabinet itself was $20. That's a pretty good combination. Same day I ended up getting this faucet. It's like a rain faucet design. It actually goes mounted to the wall, brand new in the box, everything in there. Got this whole kit for 15 bucks off of Marketplace. I mean, that's a steal deal. Plan on putting that right here where the water lines are. So it's gonna sit up against this wall. Probably even it out to where my mirror, I have a LED mirror that's gonna go right here on this wall as well. And then my compost toilet box will go right here, so it'll be right in front of the shower. So when you stand up after doing your business, hop right in the shower. Yeah, you will have to walk over to the sink, but hey, small steps. Focusing on today, I'm actually going to be focused on hooking the pipes up to where it is mounted with the faucet, just like I did the shower faucet. I'm going to be doing the same thing with that wall mount faucet, and I'm going to be installing the roof. I'm actually going to take this light puck out, and I'm going to be putting a screw-on plate on there, because I do want a fan to be in here, and it's going to be a fan and light combo. So, and yesterday, for those who don't know, I installed the vent for the bathroom. Right here is going to be solar powered. Find a way to actually use this switch mounted up somewhere so I can turn it on and off outside of the wall. I do feel like I'm going to be moving some of this insulation around. We insulated out the bathroom, put polyboard, and then we put some R13 insulation up there. Too much labor when it could be simply done easy. We're gonna go from there, so let's get it popping. Oh, before I get started, please hit that like and subscribe button, and follow down below if you enjoying the content so far. Other than that, let's go. Here I have right here, and yeah, that's nice. It has a on and off switch right here. It has LEDs all around it, and it opens up and reveals a shelf in the inside. So that's going to be going in the corner. We got that screw in. Push this up just a tad bit so it's back leveled. And we set. That ain't going nowhere. how it's supposed to be. Want it to be where I'll still be able to screw these on and connect my pecs with elbows going up. Cold water, hot water. Thread. If my Teflon tape gets unraveled, I don't think these are meant to be Sharkbite. There we go. Do is thread this, but we're not going to do this one yet. Let's go put this on the wall now. A precise distance from the wall. This is how the sink faucet is going to sit, and my bowl that I'm going to be converting over to the sink is going to be leveled right here, and just making sure I have enough room. That's where this comes into play. So I'm gonna twist this on here. Twist it on like so. All right, we're just gonna use that as the example. And mount it just like so. So as you can see, we have a little bit of room of pulling this sink out a little bit more to get it leveled, either pulling that out or drawing this to the edge. My water flow, make sure that these Sharkbites have enough clearance for me to push the pipe into. I'm gonna try to mark it. I can't even mark it through that, so I'm gonna mark it right here like so. Just like that. Make sure it's level, and that's level enough for me. Draw it up just a tad bit. Things up there like that. Now I can freehand level it. All right. So what I'm gonna do is screw this in just a tad bit so I have room to level it like so, and that's level to me. Level. Take it out. More and more level with the shower valve. Now the next part of the project is clipping these and connecting them to those. So I'm going to max it out right on, just like so. And that's the easiest way to do it when you want to measure something. Make sure you have your symbols already intact so you know where to cut it. So I'm gonna cut this right there, and I'm gonna cut this one right here, and then I'm gonna take my elbow and put it up like so. I mean, honestly, technically, if you wanted to, I could just insert it in there just like that, and that ain't going nowhere. And I'm gonna remark it so I know exactly where to cut it now. Boom, bang, bing. So show you how easy it is. I got my pipe cutters. I'm gonna cut that bit right there. Boom. Cut that hole right here. Boom. Take your elbow, insert that, and insert that. And it's that simple. It's that simple. That ain't going nowhere. Let me go grab some more red. I want to utilize my pipe just in case I got to do any repairs. So just as before, all I do is insert this one in first to the hot water side. Make sure it bites down for sure. Do a little tug test, and we're gonna have to go around, but I say about right there. I say about right here. Boom. Obviously that would have to go behind, and I'm gonna mark this one about right there. Boom. Just like so. Insert your elbow. And now we got hot water. I'm gonna actually take this off. I need to find the tool. What I'm gonna do is move this line back some. And all you have to do is press down and the whole thing comes out. So I wanted to put this behind here, and I actually want to snip off a little bit more, but it's unnecessary. And you just push it back in like so. Now we good to go. It's decent. All right, so we have the shower and the sink, faucet and valves installed. Now the next thing to do is figure out where I want that mirror. This is literally the whole bathroom water source setup. Other than the toilet, I'm gonna be doing a compost toilet. I think I want to do it right there, but I want to utilize as much space so I still have some time to figure out where and how I want to do it. But as right now, it ain't no turning back from doing this. So this is my fold out mirror. I'm going to take the bracket off real quick because it's definitely heavy. I don't have any help with it. So I'm going to unscrew all these screws, and we're going to dry fit it to where I want it to be. So it might get set just like that. And there you have it. From the shower up there, water lines, that's where all the water is going to be coming in from the water heater that's going to be outside. We got our ventilation system hole put in. Got to put up some more insulation, but I'm going to be putting waterproof insulation up there and over there. So this insulation is not going to be sucking up any moisture from any pipe problems we might have. I'm gonna end up taking this one out as well and putting some other insulation right there. That insulation is going to get moved over to about right here. Yeah, stick with me. Insert. Oh, that fits perfectly. I think that's a sign. So I'm gonna just drill this 2x4 into the wall, put the actual box on there, set it up there, and get the mirror put in there, and we're just gonna go from there. High key. And we can peel that off. All right, throw that on the ground. And now maybe it'll come off. Ah, give me that. Take the scrizzles. I'm gonna just make sure that's flush. Gotcha, baby. And take our other one. So it will be easier on me. Just like that. It should peel away like that, baby. There's a staple right there, obviously. That's where I stapled it. And then it should just break away like that, baby. And just like that. This way. She sits flush. There's definitely a fire ant in here too. It's crazy. Oh, take it back. I guess not. Yeah. That's what happens when you use the right tools, my boy. I'm going to come up to the edge of the top of the roof. Scoot it over down, one right here. One right here. One right here. Wow. A mirror situation to how the sink is going to sit right here, and I want the mirror to be up here. I was trying to put it in the corner, but it's not going to work how I want it to work. So on this corner I will be putting shelves on the wall, have a little vanity here for towels and stuff, and then right here the casing of the wall, the casing of this, as you can see how thick it is. It's just gonna have to sit. It's just gonna have to sit outside of the wall. I could drill it in, like I could get it to sit flush in there, but it's not working out how I need it to work out. y'all better go tell somebody about your boy. Where you been, boy? Where you been? You know what I'm saying? Simple. Oh, I'm just playing, man. You're supposed to have a manual. I see. Okay. Got that one. Got it. Now we have a full operative mirror that swings all the way open, swings all the way closed. It's supposed to be magnetized when it closed. There you go. That's a weak ass magnet, but y'all know what I mean. What up, man? So I finished out the piping for the sink, the nozzle valve, obviously. Cold coming all the way over here to the cold. So the shower and the sink is literally one right now. All I have to do is drill a little hole for the drain. I haven't decided yet if I want to go out the side or if I want to go straight through the floor. Might as well go straight through the floor because that's where that is. I put up the roof. I installed this beautiful mirror that I have to hook up. I ran the wire along the other electric wire, and it's actually coming out over here. If I could get some more wire, I could connect it to this junction box, or I could fill it over and connect it to this one somehow, some way, but I will figure that out. And I need this switch to be inside, not outside. So I'm thinking of like putting it up against here and then bringing, or I'm gonna figure something out. Probably have it, actually it's the wrong way. It needs to go, yeah. So it can open and close. Fits in like this. So hopefully when I I can have some type of switch or put it outside the wall. I know for sure I'm gonna have to drill through one of these to power it. But that's for another video, you guys. So I'm about to go get this money real quick.